UNR's Technology LLC. Today we're going to talk about method override. What is method override? It's actually the fact of rewriting a method with the same signature which is already in the parent class inside the child class. Let's say, for example, we have this method here, speed. Speed is inside the vehicle class. This method speed is a method from vehicle class. So we have a Mercedes class here that extend a vehicle class. That means Mercedes class is a child of a vehicle class. Vehicle class is its parent. So inside Mercedes class also, we have a definition of the method speed, but with a different behavior, as we can see in on line 9. So if we run, we go here, we create like the one vehicle object, and then we create also a Merkle object, and we're calling the method speed in line 9 and line 12. The outcome is going to be the speed method here. As you can see, it's showing like void vehicle dash speed. It means like the speed method belongs to vehicle class. But if we go here, we over here, you can see here it's saying the speed method we're calling here, it belongs to Mercedes class. So let's run it and see what's happening. So we have the first one, run faster than 50 miles per hour, and the second line is Mercedes S top speed 240 miles per hour. That means the first line we're seeing on the console is coming from Mercedes speed. If we click on this method, it's going to take us on the definition of this method that says print whatever you have here, which is run faster than 15 miles per hour, which is exactly what we have here below. And if we go to Mercedes, we go back there, we click on Mercedes speed under Mercedes. Look, it's taking us inside Mercedes class, no in vehicle class, but in Mercedes class. And then it's saying whatever vehicle name you have. So the vehicle name here is Mercedes, so that's why we have Mercedes here. And then put S top speed at 240 miles per hour. That's why we have this one. Let's say in the case we didn't overwrite it. Let's run it. So we put it under comment so that we can remove the overwrite. Let's check first where the speed is coming from. You can see now, even though it's Merkle object, because we comment the code under the speed method, we comment the speed method code from Merkle, so all are coming now from vehicle. And then you can see when we put over is vehicle. Even if when we run, you won't see the line here for Mercedes anymore, because it's going to be calling the speed method from vehicle, since Mercedes extend vehicle class, the Mercedes class extend vehicle class, and the speed method inside the Mercedes class was put under comments. Let's run it and let's see. So you can see the outcome are the same because they are calling the same method. So overwriting give the possibility of having the same method in the child and parent class, but with two different behavior. That's why when you overwrite here, as we were doing before, like we overwrite here, let me remove this parenthesis, as we are doing before, so we're having different outputs. That's all we have. Thank you. Have a blessed day. Bye.